Modern vessel operations require smarter and more scientific maintenance strategies. Traditional vessel maintenance approaches often rely on fixed maintenance intervals and human experience. On one hand, excessive maintenance increases labor, spare parts, and operating costs. On the other hand, insufficient maintenance can create hidden equipment risks, compromising the safe operation of the vessel. WinOrca Plan integrate artificial intelligence, equipment operating data, manufacturer maintenance requirements, and historical maintenance records. Delivers more intelligent and optimized maintenance plans for vessels. It helps onboard crews perform the right maintenance tasks at the right time, eliminating unnecessary repetitive maintenance. The entire maintenance process is managed through a digital closed-loop system, while reducing the risk of equipment failures. When equipment abnormalities occur, managers can quickly trace the complete maintenance history of the equipment, identify the root cause, and continuously optimize maintenance strategies, maximizing equipment lifecycle value. WinOrca Plan empowering maintenance efficiency with intelligence, ensuring equipment reliability through data.